Hello everyone, this is Abdul Latif. I will introduce you the Istanbul map basically, so at least you could also understand the neighborhoods of Istanbul and the historical side of Istanbul as well. So first, let me start from the old peninsula, which is in around Mecidiyeköy, and this actually that area is old peninsula we are calling, which including Sultanahmet in here, Hagia Sophia as well, Blue Mosque, and also Taksim Square is also located around here. That's the Golden Horn, here you can see, and that's the Bosphorus, original one. So right now we have one underground tunnel which connects Asia and Europe, and here you can see on the model 3 bridges already there. So close to Old Peninsula area, mostly Kağıthane neighborhood, Bakırköy neighborhood, and also Eyüp neighborhood is also located. So when you go west side of Istanbul, basically, that's the Basın Express neighborhood, which connects E5, and this green one is E6. Basically, E5 and E6, both of them are connecting to Europe with Turkey. So west side goes all the way till Europe, such as Bulgaria and Greece, and east side goes till Ankara, capital of Turkey. So TEM is highway, and E5 is the main road. TEM built later than E5. That's why we are calling also highway. So the Basın Express neighborhood, as I have mentioned, is also connecting TEM with E5. So the government already announced that because inside of the city center, in Levant area, around here, no more space anymore. So this neighborhood will be the second financial area. And if you go all the way around, you will also reach third Istanbul airport as well. That also makes unique for the Basın Express neighborhood. So when it comes to western side, Küçükçekmece neighborhood is located in here, and Başakşehir is also located just northern side of the TEM highway. So you could see all these neighborhoods will also be very much like popular in the future. Actually, right now they are also popular, but here you could also see there is only lake right now. That's Küçükçekmece Lake. But the government already announced that there will also be connection between the Black Sea and Marmara Sea. That will be second Bosphorus. So you can also imagine that that area will be an island in the future. So you can also understand how the prices can also increase in the future. So actually surrounding of that second Bosphorus is also very important because Avcılar is located here. That's Beylikdüzü neighborhood. That's Bahçeşehir neighborhood. So all these areas will also be so much important in the future as well. Even Beylikdüzü and Bahçeşehir is now important. A lot of real estate projects are also ongoing. But in the future, you could also understand that basically you will be living so close to the Bosphorus. So that also makes like these, especially these neighborhoods close to Kanal Istanbul. In the future, these neighborhoods will be so much important because there will also be part of Bosphorus. So these are the general aspects for the neighborhoods of Istanbul.